This video shows up to 600 young Uyghur men under the custody of Chinese special SWAT team members. They're handcuffed, blindfolded, their head shaved. On the back of the Uyghur detainees, on the vest, you can read Kashgar Municipal Detention Center. This video footage is extremely important because this is a real video footage of China transferring Uyghur detainees from one town to another town, which has basically proven our previous reports that China has been transferring Uyghur detainees from the Uyghur region to other parts of China en masse. I believe the reason why these Uyghur detainees were transferred from Kashgar was because of the overflow of the detainees. Because since Chen Quanguo became the party secretary of the Uyghur region in August 2016, there was a large scale of detentions of the Uyghurs. State Department put the number anywhere from 800,000 to 2 million Uyghurs, Kazakhs, Kyrgyz, and other ethnic Turkic Muslim minorities in these camps. So suddenly the detentions became so large, the Chinese government probably couldn't house all these individuals in Kashgar alone, so they are transferring these detainees into other parts of China. It's also extremely important that the video footage was released right before the beginning of the UN General Assembly, where China was heavily criticized for the large-scale detention of the Uyghurs and other indigenous populations. So that's why it's very critical.